up, guys? It's your girl Shakima, and we're back again with another video. And today we're going to make some okra juice. I have some okra sitting around because yesterday I do a live with steamed fish and okra, so I have some more okra leaf back, so I don't want it to go to waste. So today, guys, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious drink or stout, I don't know what you call it, with okra this afternoon. So as you can see, I already washed my okra and just cut them in two. So I'm just going to add them to a pot with some water, and I'm going to put it on the fire to boil. And then I'm going to leave it cool down, and then I will blend it up. So as you can see here, guys, I have some cinnamon, some nutmeg, some Supligen, some sweet condensed milk, some vanilla, some oats, some quicker oats, and some salt, and a jug for my juice. So let's get started. My okra is finished. I just take a fork and just to push it like that, and it's finished. So I'm going to turn off the stove now, and I'm going to leave it to cool because I need it to be cool before I can mix it inside the mixer. Okay, guys, so my okra is cooled down. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it and I'm going to pour it inside a NutriBullet, just like that, with some of its water. And I'm going to blend it. Just stop it now, and I'm going to pour it inside the strainer. Just strain it off. Maybe your guys are saying, oh my god, okra juice, that's supposed to be slimy. Well, it's not slimy. I can't forget the first time I have okra juice. My auntie Darnie make okra juice for us, and oh my god, it was delicious. And from that day until now, guys, my go-to juice is okra juice. Build back some strength in your back when you work hard. Yes. Guys, inside this okra juice, I'm going to add a little bit of oats inside it, but you don't have to if you don't want. But I'm going to add about half cup of oats with it. Look at that, guys. You see nothing really inside the strainer because everything already blended out because we cook it first. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take back some of the okra juice and I'm going to pour it back in the NutriBullet just like that. Then I'm going to take my quicker oats and I'm going to add half cup inside it. Roughly measure half cup of oats in it. I'm going to close it back, guys, and I'm going to blend it some more. Like that. Then I'm going to pour it inside the mixture. Look at that goodness. Okra juice, say what? Yes guys, creamy and nice. So now guys, to this okra juice I'm going to add some Supligen, a tin of Supligen to it. 1 full tin. I'm going to add a pinch of salt, because you know we Jamaican, we like to put salt, a pinch of salt in any juice we're making with milk. I'm going to add a tablespoon of vanilla in it. I'm going to grate some nutmeg. Fresh nutmeg is the best way to go. So much nutmeg I'm putting inside it because I just love nutmeg. Then I'm going to take sweet condensed milk. I'm going to pour about half of this in it. I'm going to pour about half of this condensed milk inside it. I'm going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon also in it, and I'm going to mix it. You can add sugar to it, but I'm not going to add any sugar because the condensed milk is already sweet, the Supligen is already sweet. Guys, and another thing I see she do, she always put like a shot of Jamaica rum inside it. And guys, if you drink rum, that's the way to go, but if not, this is the way how you should do it. Growing up in Jamaica is one of the best experience anybody could ever have. There's so much things you can do with food, it's unbelievable. So this is finished. As you can see, you see guys, it's not slimy, it's just right. So I'm going to take my jug now, and I'm just going to pour it inside of it. Oh my God, you should smell this. Holy Jesus, this is good. This smell crazy good, and it tastes good too. So now for this you need ice. So I'm just going to put some ice. You want to taste it, Kissy? Inside this cup here. Like that. And I'm just going to pour. Look at that, guys. Look at my okra juice. Oh, yes. Yes, that's the way how we Jamaican roll. Or should I say Caribbean people. So let me give it a taste now. Oh my God. So good. Remember guys, to like, to share, to tell a friend about Shakima at home, and remember to always put God before everything you do, and remember, God is love. We're out.